Good morning, good afternoon. This is my invention titled The Dual Filtration Anti-Pollution Tower Inspired by Nature, revolutionizing air purification with nature-inspired innovation. The Dual Filtration Anti-Pollution Tower Inspired by Nature introduces an innovative solution to combat urban air pollution by drawing inspiration from natural processes. This concept emphasizes a sustainable and effective approach to filtering pollutants from the air, addressing the limitation of natural resources in densely polluted urban areas. The title reflects the focus of dual filtration system, while the subtitle emphasizes the goal of improving urban air quality. Introduction. This introduction is staged by outlining the pressing problem, urban air pollution. It emphasizes the severity of the issue, noting that air pollution is linked to many health problems like respiratory diseases and cardiovascular issues. What is Anti-Pollution Tower? Anti-Pollution Tower is an innovative structure designed to reduce air pollution by filtering and purifying the air and its surroundings. This tower uses advanced technology to capture harmful pollutants and release cleaner, breathable air into the environment. They are often deployed in urban areas where pollution levels are high due to traffic and industrial activities and limited green space. My anti-pollution tower have a dual filtration system. The first filtration layer, the pollution dives deeper into the mechanics of the tower's filtration system. The first level captures larger particles like dust and smog, much like how trees filter larger pollutants through their leaves. In the second level, target fine pollutants such as microscopic particles and gases, similar to how natural systems, example is moss, soil, they purify the air at the molecule level. By these two levels, this ensures that the tower can purify the air into the more complete and effective way, similar to nature's layered purification systems. Kaya dalawa yung kanyang filtration layer para makumpleto yung proseso sa pagsasala ng mga hangin. Para makasiguro na yung inalabas nitong hangin is fresh at malinis tsaka ligtas na maaring malanghap ng mga tao. Sustainability and connection to nature. Integration and with greenery. It highlights the design choice to surround the tower with natural elements like grass and trees. The purpose is to show that the tower doesn't just clean and air but also aligns with nature's. The elements also contribute to further air purification, helping with biodiversity and creating green spaces in urban environments. Next, eco-friendly operation. The tower operates sustainably using renewable energy resources like solar and wind. This section explains how the tower aligns with eco-friendly principles by using green energy and recyclable materials, reducing its carbon footprint. Next, how it works. First, polluted air enters upper filtration system. Dun sa pinakadulo ng tower, dun na absorb yung mga pollution na mapupunta dun sa first filtration. Second, dust and particulate matter are trapped in the first filtration layer. Gaya ng sabi ko kanina, yung mga pollution na na-absorb dun sa first layer is yung mga larger particles niya katulad ng dust or smog ay naiiwan dun. Third, the second layer filters out smaller pollutants and gases. Ito na yung kanina na in-explain ko dun sa dual filtration. Siya yung second level target is yung fine pollutants such as microscopic particles and gases. In short, yung first and second layer, ito yung process ng pagsasala ng mga pollution para makapag-produce fresh air and breathable air na makakatulong or napakalaking tulong sa atin bilang isang mamamayan, lalo na sa ating mga kalusugan. Next is benefits and its impact. Yung impact niya sa environment. Napakalawak nung impact ng tower sa environment. Ito ay nagre-reduce ng pollutants in the air. The tower helps improve the health of ecosystems, reduce smog, and the lower of the carbon footprint in urban environments. Sa health benefits naman, nililinis niya yung air, tas directly linked the better health outcomes, and nag-reduce siya ng amount of harmful particles in the air. The tower helps to mitigate respiratory diseases and cardiovascular issues in the population. Sa social and economic impact naman, cleaner air leads to the healthier citizens, which reduces healthcare costs and increase quality of life in cities. This is the key selling point for governments and communities looking to improve public health and productivity. Next, unique combination of technology and nature. In this situation, parang yung nature and yung technology is magko-collab. Paano? Yung technology, siya yung mag-help dun sa nature para makapag-produce ng fresh air and breathable air. Kahit naman alam natin sa panahon na ngayon na nakakapagbigay naman ng breathable air and fresh air yung mga puno. Pero hindi ganun kasapat dahil sa mga pollution na natatanggap natin or natatanggap ng mga nature. Kumbaga ay parang hindi na natatanggap lahat ng pollution ng mga nature dahil yung iba pati ang mga puno ay nalalagas na katulad sa Manila, kaunti ang mga puno. Yung ibang technology is parang nakakasira siya ng ating nature, nakaka-harm siya ng ating kapaligiran. Lalo na yung mga pabrika, kahit technology pa yan. Kaya ang naisipan kong invention is ganito para makatulong na rin sa ating kapaligiran, mapalinis yung ating mga nabibreathe na air. At saka para na rin sa atin kasi karamihan ngayon is sobrang napakarami ng pollution gawa ng mga pabrika, mga sasakyan, ganyan. Prototype overview. Ito yung aking model. Next naman is material use. Ito yung mga nagamit ko, cardboard, colored paper, straw, thin branch of tree, bobbin case, stick glue, water pen, plastic bottle, and wax. Last is conclusion. The anti-pollution tower bridges human innovation and natural principles to combat air pollution. Its dual filtration system ensures cleaner air while its eco-friendly design aligns with sustainability goals. Call to action: support this vision for cleaner, greenery cities by partnering, investing, or spreading awareness. That's all, and thank you.